Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your region and language on the Mango application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile icon down below in the right side corner. Then you should tap on the country and language section. Here you can select the region and language, so you can either type it into the search bar to save some time, and then you should select whether you would like to which language you want to use. So you have several options here, and basically that's it. You just have to tap on it, and it will be updated automatically, the language of the application and your country too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.